Hello everyone, I am Ayush Sharma. I am currently pursuing my MBA from IMI New Delhi. For the past 2 months, I have been an intern at GreenTree Global, and I am currently working as business development for the GT Academy. For the past few months, I have worked on various domains that includes financial support, analytics, business development, marketing part, creating awareness and leads also. So in the past few months, I have learned a lot from the team that is very diverse. So it consists of designers, program managers, and senior managers also. So from the managers, I have learned how to deal in the specific time and meet certain deadlines that are very close by. From the designers, I have learned various designing aspects and have learned creating logos and posters also in Canva software. Furthermore, and I have created various quizzes and initiated various programs here. So I was mainly in the lead creation part. So in the lead creation, we have created various awareness programs and quizzes. So Dhruv sir, that is our mentor here. He provided various opportunities and provided various brainstorming sessions. So in the brainstorming sessions, he asked us to provide ideas, and the ideas that were effective on the ground, they tried to implement it. And some of my ideas were implemented here that consist of online quizzes and awareness programs. So I am in huge debt of him for providing me enough skills that I will be honing in the future of my life. Thanks a lot.